शुरू हो गया.
Yeah. Good evening, all of you. So we are here again. আমি আকৌ আজি লগ পাইছো. Today we'll be talking about the laws of learning. আজি আমি শিক্ষণৰ নীতিৰ বিষয়ে কথা পাতিম. Hopefully you all are there. তোমালোক আছা বুলি আশা ৰাখিলো মই. Last class to last we did learning, characteristics of learning, learning and maturation, factors effective learning. Then yesterday we did the 3 methods of learning, and I added one more method which is not in your book made by council, but that is another method which is there according to the psychologists. And today we'll be doing the third part, that is laws of learning. So আমি আগতীয়াকে আমি শিক্ষণ কাক বুলে, তাৰ বৈশিষ্ট্য কি কি, শিক্ষণ আৰু পৰিপক্কতাৰ মাজত কি সম্বন্ধ আছে, শিক্ষণৰ কাৰক বিলাক কি কি কাৰণে বা কেনেকে আমি শিকিব পাৰো, উপাদান বুলি ক'ব পাৰি. যোৱাকালি আমি কৰিলো শিক্ষণৰ পদ্ধতি কিটা কি কি, আমি 3টা পদ্ধতিৰ বিষয়ে কৈছিলো. তোমালোকৰ যিখন হাই সেকেন্ডাৰী কিতাপ আছে কাউন্সিলৰ পৰা যিখন দিছে তাতে 3খন পদ্ধতিৰ কথা কোৱা আছে. তাতে অনুকৰণৰ কথা কোৱা নাই, কিন্তু অনুকৰণ পদ্ধতিও এটা পদ্ধতি হয় যাৰ পৰা আমি শিক্ষণ লাভ কৰিব পাৰো. সো আজি আমি শিক্ষণৰ নীতিৰ বিষয়ে কথা পাতিম. So today we'll be talking about laws of learning, and like I told you, every method was given up by a particular psychologist, and as we keep on doing psychology, you'll understand that in every field there is one particular psychologist who does work in one particular field, who does more work in a particular field. So like that, Thorndike, who did learning by connectionism, who did learning by trial and error method of learning, who gave. So based on this trial and error method of learning by connectionism, he gave us 3 laws of learning. So these are the 3 basic laws based on which he says that when we learn something, the entire learning is based on these 3 laws. So whenever a teacher or somebody, when they're learning or a teacher is teaching, these laws can be very helpful for them. So let's look at them at one by one. Remember these 3 laws, all the 3 laws were given by Thorndike, Edward Lee Thorndike. So the first law that he gives us is law of exercise. Okay, law of exercise. So law of exercise means what? We know practice makes a man perfect. So it is that we learn by practicing. Okay, so he has divided this law into 2, law of use and law of disuse. So I'll exactly read the law, what does it mean, and then I'll explain it. So the law of use says, when a modifyable connection is made between a situation and a response, that connection's strength is increased. Okay, when a modifiable connection is made between a strong stimulus and a response, then the connection strength is increased. Law of disuse says, when a modifiable connection is not made within a stimulus and a response over a length of time, for a period of time, the strength of the connection decreases. Okay, so what does it mean? If we practice, we can remember, we learn better. If you don't practice, you tend to forget it. For an example, suppose you have learned how to type on the computer. Okay, now for a very long time, for 6 months, 7 months, you don't type. You just learned the basics. You didn't learn entire thing. You were not an expert in it. You didn't practice it. You just learned and kept it. After 6 months or 7 months, you need to type something. You come on the computer, you'll start thinking where to put the start button. Okay, then where did I go? Okay, what happens? We tend to forget. Why? Because there was no connection between the stimulus, the situation, and the response. So when there was no connection, that went out of your mind. It became weak. The connection became weak. So now I'll tell you something which you don't have to write. Suppose you don't see a friend of yours for a very long time. 5 years, 6 years, 7 years, 10 years. There may be, now for you all, it may not happen. For us, it has happened. When we did class 10, we had some friends. Now, after a long time, I had met one of my friends. Maybe I met him about 15, 20 years later. So he met me, he came with my papa, and then he was like, I studied with you, मैं तो तुम्हारे साथ पढ़ा हुआ हूँ. I was like, तुम मेरे साथ कब पढ़े थे? When he told me the name, and then I was trying to locate. But now we are very good friends. But we didn't meet for 15, 20 years. So the connection it decreased. You understand? In the same way, in learning also, when you learn something and you don't practice it, in maths and all, they keep on telling you, practice, practice, practice all the time. Why? Because when you don't practice, the strength is decreased. When you practice, when the connection is made again and again, again and again, the connection increases. So it is law of exercise. That means practice makes a man perfect. When you keep on learning something again and again, you keep on repeating, it becomes permanent in your mind. That is how habits are formed. Educational implication is what? It is of great value in the field of education. Education means this formal education. So when you learn something, your teachers make you write it. Again, your teachers, they do revision for you. Your teachers, they give you homework. They give you assignment work. Then they tell you, you study today. Tomorrow I'll ask in the class again. Now, if it would have been a Zoom class, I would have asked you, what did we do yesterday? But now, as it is a class where I only speak, so yesterday what we did. So why we do all this? To revise, to do an exercise. So when you keep on doing a work again and again and again and again, then you remember. So the teacher should make the students do certain things again and again. It's not like doing everything again, but some poetries. Like, for example, those who have come from English medium schools, we learned all this. Baba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, yes, sir. See, I remember till now. Why do I remember? We will do in memory also the same thing, but I remember because it was repeated again and again, again and again. Every day they will do one class where we will sing Baba, black sheep. So, we used to do all this, twinkle, twinkle, little star. So we remember it. We even remember the actions. We don't tend to forget because